Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today students, my name is Ajwa and today I will present you cellular organization. So students, do you know what is cellular organization? Okay, no problem, I will explain you, it is too easy. In cellular organization, first we have a cell. So, do you know what is a cell in our body?
Yes.
What is it?
It's the smallest structure and functional unit of our body.
Yes, correct. You are right. Cell is a smallest unit and it is a structure and functional unit in our body. There are many of cells and they convert into tissue and organs. So I will explaining it. Cell. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit. The word cell is a Latin word, means small rooms. The cell was introduced from the English scientist Robert Hooke in 1665. Now, different cells perform different functions. They are very small in size, shape and structure. For example, animals have cells like nervous cell, red blood cell, muscle cell and epithelial cells. And that's in plant cells there are also their types. But I am explaining you just animal cells, okay? Now, here in the cell there are many germinate materials like vacuole, mitochondria, nucleus, cytoplasm and chloroplast. First I will explain you nucleus. Nucleus is the controlling and information center of an cell. It is called the brain of the cell because it controls and supervises all the activities taking place inside a cell. That is why we call nucleus a brain of the cell. In the nucleus there are many types like nuclear envelope, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, nuclear pore. Nuclear envelope, it is a double membrane which protect the nucleus, and nucleolus and nucleoplasm, it helps the nucleus to control and supervise all the activities taking into a cell. Now mitochondria. So, do you know we also call mitochondria the powerhouse of the cell?
Yes.
Why?
It provides energy to the cell.
Yes. Do you know the electricity house which give us the energy and the fans and all the lights happens, like? So that's the why the mitochondria is a type of a powerhouse in a cell which gives the energy to the cell. Now chloroplast. The green pigment in a plant cell, it is called the chloroplast. Do you know why the plants leaves are green? Because the chloroplast is present inside the cell, and it also capture the energy from the sun and use it to make food. Why do you know plants make food for us? With the process of photosynthesis. So the cytoplasm, chloroplast, it helps the plant cell to capture the energy of the sun and make the process of photosynthesis. Now a cell membrane and cell wall are left. Cell wall is outermost covering of a plant cell. It gives the plant cell a well-defined shape, and it is made up of very hard structure which is called the cellulose, which gives the plant cell the protection. Now cell membrane. Cell membrane is present in the animal cell. It gives the animal cell protection, and everything happening in a cell it controls and give protection to a animal cell. The cell wall is present in animal cell, not in plant cell. But the cell membrane is also present in a plant cell but it is under the cell wall. Let us come to the tissue. A group of similar cells is called blood tissue. The cell which joined together, it make a one tissue, a single tissue. Now, for example, blood is a type of a tissue which transport food, waste material and water in the whole body, in human and plants whole body. Like for example, we have epithelial tissue in plants, epithelial tissue, vascular tissue and basophil tissue. And at animal cell we have epithelial tissue, nervous tissue and muscle tissue. Now let us come to an organ. So like cell and tissue join together to make a tissue. That is why the tissue join together to perform an organ. Plant and animal both have an organs. Like for example, in plants we have leaves, roots, stems and flower, and in animal cell and animal body we have kidney, lungs, hearts, liver, like this. Let us come to an organ system. Like all the organs combined together which make a system which is called an organ system. Just like an cell and tissue, organ also join together which make an organ system that performs special functions for the body. Both animal plants have an organ system, and plants cell certain organ system that carry out special tasks for them. Like for example, plants organ system, we have two types, shoot system and root system. We have two types, shoot system and root system.